Hello everyone. If you have selected electronics engineering or electronics and telecommunication engineering as your field and you have questions about your future, then this video is for you. Integration of electronics and communication is creating numerous opportunities for electronics and telecommunication engineering students. Emerging technologies like automation, drones, self-driving cars and robotics provide diverse career prospects for EXTC graduates. The Indian job market for EXTC engineers is projected to grow at a steady 7% annually. Core industries are displaying an escalating demand for skilled EXTC professionals. EXTC engineers play a critical role in manufacturing of electronics and communication devices. As you can see that in financial year 2025, the growth of electronics market is aimed to rise up to $540 billion. India Semiconductor Mission organized a 3-day Semicon India 2023 conference in July 2023 with the theme Catalyzing India's Semiconductor Ecosystem in Gandhinagar, Gujarat. Semicon India 2023 witnessed participation of industry leaders from major global companies such as Micron Technology, Applied Materials, Foxconn, Cadence and AMD and the Industry Association SEMI. India and Japan on July 2023 signed an agreement for semiconductor design, manufacturing, equipment research, talent development and to bring resilience in the semiconductor supply chain. The government attaches high priority to electronics hardware manufacturing and it is one of the important pillars of both Make in India and Digital India program of Government of India. In financial year 23, the export of electronic goods were recorded at $23.57 billion as compared to $15.66 billion during financial year 22, registering a growth of 50.52%. Owing to these opportunities, Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering Department of Viva Institute of Technology have inspired our students to align themselves to the current wave of electronic revolution. On behalf of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering of Viva Institute of Technology, I wish all future engineers a great future ahead. Thank you.